That's a lot of engines here. Jesus. So they've been building here, the first one in 1978?
Yeah.
Oh, they also built a 650 Transhelp here.
Yeah.
You drive a Honda car, yeah? Yeah, sure. They're very innovative here. They got like cardboard. This is the chef cook of the Honda factory in Italy. All right. I don't want to work here. I want to live in this factory. I used to be a technician in the factory. Every single 60 seconds, a scooter pops out in this place.
Magic door, I like to call it.
Yes, the magic door. Not sure what door it is, but it's supposed to be magic. Let's go. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Honda factory in Atessa, Italy. Yeah, me and Henrian over there from Team Honda. We're gonna get a full tour through the factory. I can work here? Yeah. And after that, we're gonna be inside of the studio because I will be recording the world's first pre-production model of the Honda X-ADV. Look at that white background. You can't really see where it ends. I always say it's an X adventure, but anyway, let's go. Italian ambulance car, look at that. Fun fact, so in this factory, all the scooters for the European market are being made. And everybody has white clothes here. Even the boss, the underbosses, the side bosses, white clothes. That's Marco. Marco is going to be our guide for today.
Morning.
Morning. Now this is the studio where all the Honda motorcycles are being recorded. Look at that white background. You can't really see where it ends. You can pretty much see where it starts because, you know, but it doesn't really have an ending. Pretty strange though. Look at that. This is Domenico. He's what is your function at Honda?
Ultimate safety manager.
Safety manager. He's making sure that I don't chop off any fingers.
My name is Jeff.
So Domenico, how many motorcycles are made here on a daily basis?
Basically 600 per day.
600 a day. And how long does it take to build one scooter?
Maybe 1 minute. 1 minute more.
1 minute.
It depends by the model.
1 minute. So an X-ADV, how long does it take to build one X-ADV?
78 seconds maybe.
78 seconds for one scooter. Thank you, Domenico.
Thank you.
Smokey on the assembling line. World's first. So this one? And then we take it back here. And we do it over like this or in the back. I can work here? Yeah? Just use tape?
Okay.
Okay. They have to go on too? Yeah, do it. This on the side. And that's it. Thank you. Trezzatura de posto. Antipasti. By the end of the day, my Italian is gonna be absolutely flawless here. I can tell. Mario and Luigi, it's the only Italians that I know.
The magic door, I like to call it.
Yes, the magic door. We're gonna go to the magic door. Buongiorno.
This is the maintenance.
Aha, maintenance. And of course, for the park, Honda lawnmowers. What else, you know. This is the magic door. The magic door. Not sure what door it is, but it's supposed to be magic. Let's go.
Hello, welcome.
This is the entire HII Honda Italia Industriale motorcycle built in here.
So they've been building here, the first one in 1978?
Yeah, first motorcycle assembly in here. It's from
Oh,
1978.
look at that.
We passed through this kind of models, very appreciated. This one was the first motorbike ever brought in Japan, built in here with our colors.
Aha, with Italian colors. Yeah. All right. I had one of those.
Yeah.
Yep.
Vision.
Yeah, SJ100 had one of those too.
This one in particular brought the double of request and the double of working places in 1998.
Uh-huh. Oh, they also built a 650 Transhelp here.
Yeah, in the 2000s.
Oh, not anymore, but in 2000, yeah, in 2000. Still on
The production
CB.
for every year.
Oh, damn. Oh, in the Hornet as well.
Yeah. We used to build power motors, but these are built in France.
Lawnmowers like brr,
Yeah.
brr. Alright.
Honda France built this.
CBF, Hornet. Oh, CB1000R as well here. And then partially made in Japan and then assembled here in Italy.
I think in 2009 it was built totally here, except for the engine. Now the CB1000 is completely built in Japan.
Japan, yeah. Cool. So the CB125R, the SH350i, the 350 Adventure, and the SH125 and 150.
150, Forza.
Oh, the Forza is also being built here. Ah. Fun fact, I used to work on these things. I used to be a technician in the factory. Oh, it's making a noise. It's making like ice cream truck sounds. Sounds like an ice cream truck. Did you hear that? Ding, ding, ding. The thing I struggle with the most, putting on the wiring harness. These guys do it in seconds. Whew, that's a lot of engines here. Jesus. Hola. Professionals, professionals. These two, professionals. Sorry. All right, let's go. Every 60 single seconds, the new scooter gets off this conveyor belt. Here it comes, look at that. Another one bites the dust. So yeah, this is the final inspection area where they actually start up the bike, check all the lights, the ABS, the indicators and whatnot. They also started up for the first time.
If you want to be here,
They cannot.
I know you can't really see me, you can hear me, but yeah, every single 60 seconds, a scooter pops out in this place. Pretty crazy, right? I know. Perfecto. The ABS painting shop. We have the SPC painting shop. Don't think I can paint some stuff, but... And green hats are really a Japanese thing. That's sometimes that's because sometimes I wear a green hat. It's a Japanese thing. And white overalls as well. Back in the day they were black. You guys know that, right? And this is the CED painting part. This is where all the frames get painted and they go into a bubble bath. They get dipped. Arrivi fumatori, la nostra uniforma. White overalls, look at that. Tutti dobbiamo indossare la scappera. Yeah. Italian is not getting better by the end of the day. Absolutely not. Yeah. Rain in Italy. Well, what do you know? Grazie mille. Grazie mille. I will probably go to Ghent sometime. But what happens in Aalst? What do they do in Aalst, Belgium then?
They have the bumpers production, but for the automobile.
Oh, for the cars.
Yeah, yeah,
Ah, you drive a Honda car, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're in Italy. Could have been like a Fiat 500. I don't know, but.
You know, but
Now we just got out the factory with Domenico over here, and I absolutely love this guy. These Italians. Oh, god dang it! And with the transparent one, and the difference with a normal one is that you have the primer coat, then you have the color coat, and then you have the top coat, the see-through coat. Now with these ones save a lot of emissions because you only have the primer and the top coat because the color is already inside of the plastic, so you don't need to paint the whole thing. Let's go for dinner at the Honda factory. That's cool.
Ghent is a beautiful city.
Oh, they have like warm food and over here as well.
Welcome to Honda.
God dang it, cafeteria. Cool. Oh, my favorite memorabilia wall. Oh, I like that. I like these walls. I have that one, and I have that one. No, I don't have anything. This one? No, I should have that one, but look at that. They're very innovative here. They got like cardboard seats. Now I know that Italians like their coffee, but they have their own barista and their own specially very high gradable coffee machine inside of the cafeteria. Look at that. They also got a dartboard and a guitar, just in case if you have a break and you want to play the guitar, you know?
These hands are magic.
Magic. We have to show the magic hands. This is the chef cook of the Honda factory in Italy, and he is very well known for making that type of food, right?
Non ho capito.
Ha detto che sei il capo chef e sei conosciuto per fare la buona cucina.
Sì.
Sì, all right.
Ci provo.
Grazie. Let's see what we have for dinner tonight. Oh, what's for che mangiare? Oh,
Ceci e baccalà.
bacala. All right.
Ceci e baccalà.
Belgi bacala. Yum yum.
Guarda.
I don't want to work here. I want to live in this factory.
I prefer. You came in Friday, so Friday
Yep.
we eat fish.
Oh,
Oh,
buon appetito.
buon appetito.
Buon appetito. So yeah, this is the undergrounds of the factory, and this is like the personal store, and I'm getting this vest. It looks ridiculously cool, so getting that souvenir from Italy, made in the Netherlands. Big thanks again to my friends at Honda Modo Belgium and the Netherlands. Also big thanks to all the people that I have met here at the factory. Mookie had an absolute awesome time hanging around with the folks, eating with the folks from Honda Italy factory. Would be cool if I could go to Japan for the Honda Africa Twin. The same as here, but in Japan. Let me know in the comments and like this video if you want to see me go to Japan. Maybe Honda will send me, who knows. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. See you guys in the next one. See ya! Yo guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you also want to make some money on the side with YouTube or become a full-time YouTuber as myself, or you want to build your personal brand, make sure you click the link in the description and check out my free webinar. Yeah, new video, my favorite video.